You can make $50 up to $200 in just minutes by using Google. I know that a lot of you use Google every single day, but did you know that you can make a lot of money by using it? A lot of people are making money on this website and they don't want other people to know about the secret, but I want to show this to all of you. But before we start, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. First, I want you to go to the website, which is askwonder.com. Basically, what this company offers is an opportunity that we can become an analyst. We can become a researcher on this website. And this company has been there for years, and they have been working with some big companies, as you can see here. So I'll show you how to do this and how these people are making so much money from this strategy. People are making a lot of money per 10 minutes. I'll show you all the tricks on how to do that. We can find different jobs, different research, different questions, meaning that a lot of people out there who are lazy are out there. There are so many questions out there that people want to ask, but they are too lazy to find the answers. So there's an opportunity there for us to answer these questions and earn money. I'll show you 4 easy steps on how to do this, but first I'll teach you how to sign up to this website. This is really important. You go on and click on this to become an analyst on the top right corner. Click on this and you'll land on this page right here. You're going to fill in your details and then click on I'm not a robot and click on I agree to the terms and conditions. This is really simple. It only takes about 20 seconds. When you scroll down below, you will see the 4 simple steps to begin earning money on askwonder.com. First, you have to visit the research dashboard when you're ready to start working. Right after you sign up, you're going to go on to the back office and you will find different jobs, different research topics that you can pick from, and I'll show you how you can use a smart tactic. We're going to pick a few lucrative and profitable questions, and those with these tactics can earn you 2 or 3 times more by selecting the right topic. The second step, once you find different research projects to do, is they can assign you your request to work already, and you could apply for that and assign the job to you. Once you get a job, you're going to find the answers. You're going to go out there, research the answers, and collect all the data, all the information, and synthesize your answers in a short format, which I will show you later on. After that, you can submit your work and celebrate your earning. So those are the 4 easy steps. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. So now I want to show you an example of how to do this. As you can see here, these are some of the sample questions that you can answer on this website. Let's say, for example, this question. Let's try to answer this. What you need to do is copy this question and then open up Google. When you're done opening up Google, paste the question right there and then look for the answer. It's as simple as that. You can see a lot of answers from your search, and you want to collect those answers and information. Once you have all of them, open up a blank Google document and you can work on it by placing all the information and answers in a short paragraph. You can then submit this and earn a lot of money. So I'll show you how. You can go back to askwonder.com and click on this view button beside the question that we searched for earlier. You'll be brought to this page, and as you can see, you have the answers to the question, and if you look at it, these are answers that are similar to what we found on Google. So obviously, these people who are answering these questions are just looking for the answers on Google, and it's that easy. Basically, you can do this and earn money just like what these other people are doing. So you have to put in the work, but it is just so simple. Anyone can do this from anywhere in the world, and even without skills and experience. So just put in a little research, look for different articles or answers to the questions, and you can combine all of these sources for you to be able to answer the question. Again, just place it on the blank Google document right there, and then you're good and ready to earn money. So here's a bonus tip that I want to give you that will help you with this strategy. You can go over to microworkers.com, and on this website you want to hire. So we will be hiring people. You can find people here that can research and gather data for you. And all you have to do is pay those people 10 cents, 20 cents, or 30 cents. Then you can go back to Ask Wonder, get as many jobs as possible, and delegate it to these people who are willing to do the job for a small amount. So you can leverage that and hire people to do that, and in return, sell that information to Ask Wonder. You might want to focus on questions in a particular category or niche so that it would be easier for you or your researcher to research. That is another tip that I could give to you so that it would be much easier and faster. So this is a very cool method that you would only need to hire people for a few cents, and you can then earn hundreds of dollars when you get to answer these questions on AskWonder.com. A lot of people are doing this and are making a lot of money. That's why I wanted to share it with you so you could start doing this and start earning money online. I hope you got value out of the video. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you when I see you.